Alright guys, welcome back to the Double D YouTube channel. Alright, so as you guys have probably noticed, or you haven't noticed, that I've made a purchase. It's not the Honda Turbo T-New build. This is, my wife's always wanted a Tesla. Before you turn off, if you watch some of my videos before, in the past, I was like, you know, this Toyota is junk. This Mazda, they got junk intercooler hoses. This Buddy D-Max overheats a lot. And I tell you my opinion on vehicles because I service them. Well, guess what? I've heard a lot of rumors that you boys and girls don't like Teslas. You're like, oh, the batteries die all the time. Oh, you can't get very far on a charge. Oh, when they're old, they're completely junk. Well, guess what this fella did? I went out, guys, and we put a $15,000 bid on a Tesla. And you know what? We won this Tesla thinking it's just down the road. Turns out it's 3,130 kilometers away. And that works out in dog years, I have no idea, probably 10,000 years. So right now you're thinking, but Dino, what are you talking about? Well, I decided to go, I'm going to fly down. Just wait for that aeroplane. It's a very long aeroplane. So I decided to fly down. So I said to my wife, how about, it's in Victoria, I'll fly down, get in there, get a hotel for the night, sleep for 4 or 5 hours, get up, charge me Tesla and drive home. She's like, that'd be great if you didn't buy a repairable write-off in a fucking different state. And I'm like, that's a good point. So now I've got to organise it to get taken to a charging station. Hope that it's got a key. Turns out, first thing I learned about electric cars, the key is your phone or a card. If there is no key, your phone or a card in the car, it's not like you beep beep and you get a locksmith out. Can't do that, guys. Fucking first thing learned. They ain't a normal car, alright? Yeah. So, second thing. I can't just rock up to the auction yard and go, yeah, bro, I'm going to drive it out. You've got to get a professional tow truck to take it out of the yard. So we're going to get a professional tow truck guy to take it out of the yard, guys, to a charging station near the airport hotel. So my wife's like, I'll book you a flight. You'll get in at 1 o'clock in the morning, technically. You'll walk to your airport fucking hotel, and then you'll wake up and your Tesla will be sitting at the car park. I'm thinking, that's a great idea. But where's the key going to be left? The door doesn't lock. The door's half fucking open, you know, like, and the photo shows 67 kilometres till empty, and I'm like, well, this ain't looking good, boys. So I've got to make all that happen tomorrow because we've been on a 4-day fucking long weekend, you know. I was going to say a 4-day bender, but that doesn't happen. So, first thing what needs to happen today, in about an hour, I need to get a fucking haircut because I look like I got a mop, yeah? Second thing, I've got to go on the internet and make sure I delete my browser history. That's a joke. Third thing, I've got to start packing. Fourth thing, got to hop on an aeroplane. Fifth thing, we got to make sure we got the hotel booked. Make sure we got the tow truck booked. Make sure I take my laptop and buy one of those cables that only Teslas plug into, and I'll have to download the Tesla toolbox. I don't know how to use it, guys. I don't know. It doesn't have an OBD fucking port. You know, how stupid's that? Like, this thing is an alien to me, right? So, yeah, pretty much, guys. Me, being me, even got an oil company on my shirt, doesn't even know how to work a Tesla. I've hired one, and it was so much fun. I played Mario Kart while I was waiting to charge it. Yes, we did. We broke a lot of necks, but, you know, they have a lot of power. Anyway, so pretty much, guys, we do not know if we got a key. We do not know if there's any charge left in it because we don't know when the photos were taken. We don't know technically if the door shuts because in the photos, the door's open. Bugger. We don't know if the headlight, it says T/loss, total loss on the window, but it's a stat write-off. I mean, it's a repairable write-off, and I have a tradie plate. Now, the only way I can use the trade plate to get back to Townsville, which is according to the software online, it's going to say if I stop at all the charges, blah, 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 no supercharges because it's a repairable, can't use their fucking service. So, 1 day and 15 hours to get home, right? And I'm like, oh, that's a good time. Guys, that's if I don't sleep. That's if you left now and never slept. So I went, I'll sleep in the car. And then I'm like, this is a great idea. But what if I can't fix the car? What if the battery's been stolen? What happened when the car yard or whoever wrote it off for the insurance went, oh, you know what? We're just going to steal the battery from underneath. Nobody will know. Can't tell, can you? It's going through auction. Maybe they've taken the high voltage, the low voltage. It's 3 fucking battery, 12 volt, 36 volt and high volt. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. There is no charger in the boot. Is it underneath the boot flap? I don't know. We don't know if the tyres are legal. So to use that tray plate, I must 100% have that car roadworthy to drive it home for its WAVA in Queensland. And you might be thinking, oh my God, Dean, are you retaining? I am retaining. I'm thinking the same thing, guys. So I brought some new cameras. I'm thinking we get the Starlink, put it on the roof and drive it home with you. But there's no point thinking about forward. Because at the end of the day, we don't know if we've got a key. We don't know if the battery's even in it. We don't know if it even drives. If it goes to put it in drive with the swipe forward or whatever the fuck you do with that model, and it goes ding, 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 I'm going to hate that ding, ding noise within before seconds. I'm going to hate it. I'm going to hate it, guys. So if you want to come on a journey, please like, subscribe, because once this goes, mate, I am doing daily uploads. I'm going to put the Starlink in the car, and I'm going to drive along, and I'm going to go TikTok live or YouTube live. You know, we know what I'm going to do, you know. Or it might be TikTok here and a live there and a there. We don't know, do we? All I can say is, guys, that's what's going to happen. So either I'm going to fly in there, get it done, get on the way here, come back here. I leave Wednesday night. I got till Monday morning to be back, and I need some sleep. So I've got to make sure. Now you might think that's doable. I might have to rent a fucking workshop. I might have to rent a workshop, guys, lift the car up and change the goddamn battery. We don't know what's going to happen. But come for a journey and we'll find out if we can do it, because I'm just a mechanic in this beautiful world. Stay moist, stay fucking triggered, and remember, no idea what I'm doing. Have a good day. Oh, I'm making a full video of it, so this is just the introduction, so you guys can follow along. Okay? Don't worry about the... Anyway, that'll do. Fuck it, that'll do.